Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is directionless employees. Now, what are directionless employees, ladies and gentlemen? Sometimes people just want to be the part of a particular industry because they have heard a lot about the reputation of that industry. We all know that inside any industry there are a large number of sections, there are a large number of departments, and people work in those departments according to their specific qualification and experiences. But still, in case of freshers, this is especially the case of freshers, the young graduates who have not yet seen the corporate world. They get fascinated by different types of well-known organizations. And among their friends and family members and relatives, there are large number of people who are working in these great organizations, and time and again they keep telling that how great these organizations are, what facilities they are providing to their employees. So by listening to people around you, you frame your mindset that you want to be the part of this organization. Okay, in which profile you want to join this organization? Anything, give me anything, I just want to be the part of this organization. So initially at a student age, there is a possibility that a person is not sure that what he has to do, and young age students, they are quite excited about the things. They are having some kind of childish mind, very delicate mind, very sweet people, college students, very nice people. They are dreamers, they have great dreams. So initially sometimes people say that I just want to be the part of this industry, but they do not know that where they exactly want to be in that industry. So when they join that industry, they say that provide me any profile in this particular organization, I will be very happy to do it. And when they get that profile and when they actually start working, they come to know that they haven't yet realized their true dreams. They do not know that where they actually want to move in their life, what they actually want to do. And these people are known as directionless employees. Directionless employees. They are working inside the organization, but they do not know that what exactly they want to do over there. Since they were fascinated by different types of things that are happening inside that organization, they joined that organization thinking that yes, the organization will help them to become good professionals in future. But suddenly they come to know that they are not able to find out that what is their specific position inside the organization, where they exactly want to be, and these are known as directionless employees. So if you are a fresher, if you are new in an organization, you are not aware of the things, gradually you will gain experience and you will automatically come to know that where you exactly want to be in that particular organization, where you exactly want to be in that particular corporate sector. But sometimes it happens that people are not able to realize that what they have to do. Not because they are not able to understand the things. They are intelligent, they are highly intellectual. But still they are not able to find out that what they have to do because they get fascinated by everything that is happening inside the organization. For certain days, they get excited about one particular thing. Then their manager says that there is one more responsibility that you have to accomplish, and then they move on to second responsibilities given to them by their managers. They get fascinated by that also. The time frame of that responsibility is over, the manager assigns them a third responsibility, and then they get fascinated by that third responsibility also. So what is happening? Their focus is shifting from one task to another task, and these are known as directionless employees. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if we want to remain highly focused towards one particular direction, we will have to be mentally stable. And that mental stability only we can generate in our personality. No third person can ever generate it. No outsider can ever generate it. So it is our responsibility to find out that where we exactly want to be in a particular industry. We should not be directionless. Because every individual makes his profile in one particular domain. People know you because of that particular profile. You take any professional in this world and that person is well known only for one specific quality that he is having. For example, poet. He is poet, he writes poem. One specific quality. Motivational speakers. one specific quality. Doctors, they treat patient, one specific quality. Civil engineers, they construct great buildings, great bridges, one specific quality. Army men fight with terrorists, save the country, one specific quality. Ladies and gentlemen, every profession focuses on one specific quality. And it is your responsibility to find out that what is that one specific quality inside your personality that is going to become your profile for the lifetime. Whatever job you do it for a lifetime, ladies and gentlemen. We should not shift our profession time and again. If we keep shifting our profession time and again, we will never be able to become a part of an established professional. And in long run, we will never be able to establish ourselves as a good professional. That's why you will have to find out that what you exactly want to do in your life. I'm not saying that getting fascinated by a large number of things is bad in any way. No. When you join industry, when you see large number of things, you get excited about large number of things. And this is necessary. You must remain excited. This is how you gain knowledge about more than one particular instrument, knowledge about more than one particular device. This is necessary. Knowledge gaining is necessary, and if you are having knowledge of more than 3 or 4 streams, that is highly beneficial for you. People will consider you as an intellectual personality. That is good. Have knowledge of a large number of things, as many things as you want. But your job role should be one. And that one job role, only you are going to decide it. No third person can ever decide it. That's why, while working in any industry, try to thoroughly analyze your personality. Try to analyze your personality, try to analyze your likings. And after gaining a certain level of experience as a fresher, try to sincerely find out that where you exactly want to be in your life, and then never leave that profession, because that profession will be your ultimate identity till your old age. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.